Welcome back, Phosphor fans. We are once again exploring the depths of the DOS PC gaming catalog, going almost all the way back to the beginning today, because we are playing Atarisoft's 1983 port of Pac-Man to the PC. Obviously, Atari didn't want to leave any potential market untouched, and so we get this. The game is fairly simple, and it assumes that one had only CGA graphics, which was in 1983, that was a very good assumption to make. I'm not sure we had anything else yet. This actually is not the first attempt at a Pac-Man-like game on the PC. It was just the first licensed one. There are some iterations, unlicensed ones, play-alikes as I like to call them, that were even more basic than this. Obviously, you know, given the graphic and audio limitations of the basic PC hardware at the time, Atari was doing the best they could, really. The color palette of the CGA adapter was not really not really suited to a bright and colorful game along the lines of Pac-Man. Game over. Okay. This was before a point-and-click interface, so I am trying everything short of just quitting the game. Hello, computer. It's not working. Okay, well, I guess if we're going to play it a second time, we have to literally start it up a second time. That was entertaining. Press F2 to change difficulty. Oh, that just is the key. Hey, let's start on the key levels. What the heck, why not? That's a novel development. Ghosts aren't going to stay scared for long. I missed getting the key, which really sums up my Pac-Man experiences through life very well. Well, hey, I signed up for this. they've got the maze right, but it's very much like the Atari 8-bit computer version of the game in that it's squashed down, stretched out, however you want to put it, for a 4:3 screen as opposed to a vertically oriented screen. So there you have it. For good or ill, this was Pac-Man on the PC as far as Atari was concerned. And the reason it's interesting to go look back at this is that I can now play a perfect game of Pac-Man on my PC. This show is in fact being put together on a PC. So it's just kind of interesting. You know, one of the things that you do play old games for is to see how much things have changed. And this is one case where they've changed a lot.